Overall, I look at research into how we make decisions. I mean, to me, that's the basis of intelligence. What drives those decisions, what factors into those decisions, and how our decisions even change over time. And so this is what I call computational intelligence. I want to model that algorithmically. The goal of understanding decision making is that if I make a decision and you don't understand it, and especially it's a critical decision, we're in trouble. Nothing's going to happen. It's, again, to me, it's the intermeshing of how our intentionalities between two entities are close enough so it makes sense. So we need to address that. Now, here's one thing that's interesting that we're exploring is that, is hallucination, is it deceptive, or is it just simply an error? There are studies where, people say that, well, the machine's always been right, so I'm just going to trust its answers. Is that the right thing to do? But I also argue the other side. I trust the person I've been working with forever. If they have a hiccup, I'm probably more willing to forgive them if they've done well, but does that apply to the AI system? Even my current crop of students that are senior and about to graduate, they're very comfortable with using the AI. They're very comfortable with generating code with AI. So the acceptance rate is much, much higher. And I think, it'll just keep growing. But again, we've got to train in skepticism. Society should be skeptical. Skeptical of both the pronouncements of what we'll achieve, and also skeptical of, the dangers that are going to happen. You have to have an understanding of, what are the capabilities of these systems? Again, it's back to the intentions. If we don't define or, be able to provide what the intentions of both the machine and the humans are doing, we're not going to, it is going to stymie us, but it's also going to have us build bad systems. What I look for in my work is self-discovery. It's to better understand ourselves. And once we better understand ourselves, we can also better define the world around us. What is creativity? What is novelty? How can the machine understand us?